What? 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 You know the world, it's not a plan. You hear me, man? A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. I don't know when I come to represent for Gaza and Alliance, you know it go. A full effect. You know a mad and mean thing. You know me not laugh with it. When me aim up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion about you, right? What? So hear me no Gaza nation. Right about now, you know. I see them a say this and them a say that. You know what I mean? I be a look at hypocrisy, I say I go on. You don't know which part them I ask. Everybody, before I go no further, everybody want to know which part the general work. I work in a diplomat building, my virgin. I be a foreign diplomat there. You see what I say? Right about now, I come that thing here come off of the machine here, and them a complain. So, I'm going to set it up back for them because you know the thing go. You see what I'm dealing? I be people from all over the world they about in here. But here we are going now. All of my peeps them. I want to hear what I go on. Right now, you know. So when I see I go on the YouTube, you know, everybody I get excited. I see everybody I get excited. Everybody and their mother I get excited about what I go on and I jump up and I say this and I say that. You know, and I saw the thing go. All me hear when I talk, when I don't even know the right thing worth it talk. I really talk. I know me not hear when I talk the right thing worth it talk. You know what I mean? You don't got to talk because you don't have mouth can't talk. Now get some fool and shut up that shit here. But here what I say Gaza nation. Right about now. The local man them will chat up them mouth and talk about alkaline do this song for this person. Say him use one stool and shoot 5 birds. In the first place, with all due respect, no disrespect to him, but him never take on one artist yet. You know what I mean? Much as to go gang up on 5 him alone. I don't see which part that's possible. You see what I say? And here what I say to some local man who there, attack up them mouth. Me here on there attack up on the mouth. Watch me no man. Watch this. Watch this. When you don't know over the years of that Tamale Sparta, they don't want from him. You see what I deal with? And in the first place, him wait till Tamale Sparta gone on tour. Him know the man gone to Europe for go and shell it. You know what I mean? So him know say it maybe take him all a while for when him come back, him probably answer or whatever. Me I wanna know how the warlord, the 5-star general, the double platinum artist, me I wanna know how them man they work. Right now them man they nah go challenge alkaline. Pan no record business. The man they nah go and challenge him unless him all give him a physical challenge from the stage too. Because I saw them man they know it. I saw them man they work. But here me I say. I go out on the balcony and look. But here what I say, over on the shelf, and I soon see what I'm going. But here what I say, the whole blood clot place dark up in the Gaza nation. But here what I say, right about now, at the last 10 years ago, dancehall see, a dancehall clash. I ask all of my generals them, my Gaza generals them, you don't think dancehall need a clash right now? You don't think the people them and the dancehall fans need a clash now? Remember that are the culture where everybody that run down. Remember the last man standing, why Vibes Cartel so big? Remember my father said don't fuck around if you don't mean it. And when war start and him couldn't manage it, him run left it. You know what I mean? And that's why Vibes Cartel had done it. So me I go say right now, you know, I hope you know MVP cheerleaders when me see come out in on a bibba on a pam pam and on a stacking and a jump up and a cheer and on a skirt and a go on. Let me tell you something. I hope when Sparta take him on, you know, him can give the man a clash live on stage, you know. Because dancehall need that, you know. Me I wanna know Popcorn now go answer him, you know, because Popcorn know him a bigger international star for him. The way him run him out and the way him go on like him hype on everybody else. And then when man a chat, when man a disrespect him in a track, him not answer them thing there. The whole world know Popcorn now go give him the hype there. Right now you don't know the world boss is an unpredictable man. The man tired for brush him up. Him come like it's just like facile. It's just like taking candy from a baby to the world boss. You see what I deal with? And the whole world know that. And I remember the baddest this song him ever do in his life a microwave. Remember Vibes Cartel kill that close casket, it can't ever play again. If a boy a play that in his bathroom, him have to stay and play it, him can't even make the sound night let out. Eh? What? So when I say him use one stone and kill and I throw this at 5 artists, me I say, you know myself right about now. Personally, a Sparta I want to take him on. This is what I deal with. Between him and Vibes Cartel, a gimmicks thing that Vibes Cartel they are prison, Vibes Cartel are hungry beat him bad and him hungry run him out for record. I want him and Sparta take on this channel seriously because dancehall need this. You see what I deal with? Over the years him a duck from it. I mean I know if him have growing man balls, you know, he must step up to the plate or whatever. But when I say, if you are going to take on somebody and you say, well then you are the baddest thing in a dancehall Gaza nation. You know me I say, no, man, if you are the baddest thing in a dancehall and you are going to take on somebody, you're not supposed to throw no shade at this man. You're supposed to just call them name man and dismantle them man because you are the man who come to take over man and a lollipop thing man. You're not afraid man, you're not afraid for call the man name. You call boy name and dismiss him man because you're full of lyrics man. And you're bad with it man and hype with it man. As you don't move shady, it look like you know badness shibble along. You see what I deal with? But right about now, you know, I say in a Gaza nation, I hope when Scout know Sparta, you know, can involve Sparta in that and him not say nothing, you know. I don't tie up him mouth, you know. You don't know it going on. Yeah, man, Gaza nation, you know, all we don't tie up them man them out. You don't know it go. See a loud explosion. Anytime them man they get the news and find out him do nothing like that. But matter about grandfather. The man that go roll out the Al Pacinos them upon him. And on a lollipop thing. A real thing. But me I say, we know Popcorn now go challenge him. Popcorn now go give him the hype there. We all know that. Popcorn now go treat him like a little boy, like him is apprentice. So Popcorn now go deal with him. You see what I deal with? You know the world boss unpredictable. He would just get up and dismiss him anytime he feel like. You see what I deal with? I know Killer now go in a them thing with him on record. Because he have to prove himself to Killer if he want do that thing there on record. Killer now go just want it on record. Killer go want see him personally. You know what I mean? Forgive it to him. You know what I mean? Because you know a Killer thing stay. Killer not used to them thing there on record. It's a man that go and run up on you, so him deal with them things. So I deal with because so him know dancehall. So I don't think that thing that Killer go for it. But if him say a Tommy Lee are the man right now where him for take on, because remember, you know, I see him you dead embarrassed him and Movado when them hold out the time pan him at Sunfest, and when them hold out the time pan him at Sunfest, him get 10 minutes and him use 8 minutes and gun up the two of them, you know what I mean? So it go equal right for him, you know what I mean? Him redeem himself. So at the Sparta General, him have to go challenge, you know? So, watch. What? What's good?
I saw him up there talking to you next minute, man.
No, I ain't doing that, man. No, I ain't doing that. What? So I say, once again, at the world it's not a plan. I hear me, no, man. At the 10-star general I represent in a live and living colors. You know it go Gaza nation when me sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion. Watch, and me I say, once again, I hope I no fuck around and I fuck around and I don't mean it, you know. I hope you not do this thing for controversy. I don't not do this thing for hype, nah likes. I hope you mean what you do, you know. Because me I say to you, you know. When Sparta run out on him, own him can take this thing serious, you know. We don't have to have the clash nowhere in Jamaica, you know. You can pick any spot you want in the Caribbean, you know. Because you know Sparta no really got him American visa back yet, so you can pick anyone comfortable in the Caribbean with. Because one thing you know, all when you see you run up on a mud pan video and you look at MVP cheerleaders and run on the mouth. But one thing me know in a real life, him not go can run on a stage show with Sparta together upon the stage. You know what I mean? A straight burial thing that, if him ever do that. You know what I mean? I'm not have to ask, you know. Because you don't know that. So anyway, the general, the 10-star one, and me I say, you know, look at MVP cheerleaders. Let me tell you something. This is not a cheerleading match. You hear me? A real life thing we are dealing with. So anytime you ready, you boots him up and tell him to stop, hide, and throw shades. If you're bad with it, you come out and you fire shot from people. You know, hold back. You know what I mean? A joke badness that. Them type of badness, they shrivel on. You don't know. A Gaza run road. Gaza for life. You know. This now go end up like one thing. Because you now go can throw the shades there and think so well then it done. So hope when the answer them start run at you. I hope you take it to the way all the dancehall fans them would love it. Anyway, the general with the next 10-star one. Bless up all Gaza nation. Watch. At the general 10-star one performing a live and living colors. Watch.